I am Scott's Dragon, and this is episode 11 of my Ratchet and Clank playthrough.
Okay, what's our destination?
The Blarg hydro harvesters are still stealing water from planet Pokataru.
Ready to go knock on Drek's door?
Water supply in the galaxy. Initiate the hydro harvesters and sap this planet dry. Copy that, German. You heard him, team. Activate all harvesters and deploy ground teams. If anyone even gets close to those harvesters, ice them.
Pokataru's water supply was in trouble. If Ratchet and Clank failed to destroy Drek's hydro harvesters, this tropical paradise would become a desert wasteland.
Hey! Over here!
Well, dip me in breadcrumbs and feed me to a snagglebeast. Grim told me he was friends with the Lombax, but I didn't believe him. I've never seen one in real life before. You must be Ratchet.
This is so weird. The resemblance. It's...
Uncanny, I know.
Grim asked us to help you destroy Drek's hydro harvesters.
If you're gonna destroy those things, we're gonna have to upgrade your ship. It just so happens the best upgrade guy in the galaxy is here for a comic book convention, right? Follow me, I'll take you to him. The Puffoids have been coming ashore ever since the Blarg started attacking. Nasty little devils, but tasty if you know how to cook them.
Nice!
It's a telepathopus!
Mr. Zurkon is here to kill. Greetings, soon-to-be-dead alien. return without vengeance.
Hey, that was pretty good. Did my brother teach you to do that? Come on, my boat's this way!
The only school little Zircon attends is the school for cracking skulls. And he is not a destroyer.
I actually had a lovely fishing trip planned before these hydro harvesters showed up and ruined everything.
Oh, how long was your trip?
Going on about 10 years now. The fishing was just starting to get good, too. Let's keep moving. Oh, boy, more puffoids. You two can handle this, right? I'm more into fishing than fighting. You understand?
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. One little death, little angels, or little fire.
I think you got them all. Come on.
Little Zircon is here.
Mr. Zircon is bored.
Here comes some more.
Mr. Zircon has returned without vengeance. Did no one warn you about
Oh, you look at that. Over there's the Torgoff waterfall. Grim and I used to trek to the top of that thing every holiday looking for gold bolts and such. Then one day he dared me to ride down on a barrel. I tell you, I've never seen our father so angry. Oh, those were the days.
no one warned you about Mr. Zircon?
Oh, great. More puffoids.
Need some nanotech. He's down.
I think you got them all. Come on. So how's old Grim doing these days? I haven't heard much from him since we moved here from the Polaris galaxy. He runs a garage, right?
Yeah, on Velden. It's small, but it's kind of cool. We do mostly hover conversions, proton scrubs, that sort of thing.
And now you're a galactic ranger. Grim must be so proud.
Actually, I don't know. I was supposed to help him with some proton scrubs, but I left in kind of a hurry. Hope he's not too angry with me.
Ah, he'll be all right. You're out protecting the galaxy. What's that compared to a few proton scrubs? My friend's not far from here. He'll be able to help you out. Ah, great. The bridge is out. These blarg are really starting to cramp my fishing trip. Do me a favor and see if you can activate it from the other side. Good! The bridge switch should be somewhere over there. Thanks. Come on, it's not too far now. Oh boy, that's not good. Looks like the Blarg have reached the city.
Looks like the Puffboys are giving them a run for their money.
We won't be able to reach my friend until the ground troops are cleared out.
We are on it. Stay here and keep safe. Hey! Yes!
I think that's the last of them.
I am detecting another bridge control switch in the vicinity. We should activate it so Felton is not left behind.
I'm coming. Sorry. I'm a little out of shape. Look, over there. The Pocataro Tiki Lounge and Karaoke Bar. With any luck, my engineer friend will be there.
Who is your friend?
The guys on my Holo game forum call him Big Al.
Oh, we know him. We met him in Alero City. Nice dude. A little weird.
Yeah, that's Al. But he's the best upgrade guy in the business.
Got him!
Look, over there. The Pocataro Tiki Lounge and Karaoke Bar. With any luck, my engineer friend will be there.
Who is your friend?
The guys on my Holo game forum call him Big Al.
Oh, we know him. We met him in Alero City. Nice dude. A little weird.
Yeah, that's Al. But he's the best upgrade guy in the business.
Little Zircon has decided to make your appearance without hiring
One little dead little idiots. 4 little 5 little dead little idiots.
I'm trying to sing my soul-stirring rendition of Lexi Orion, Ain't No One Gonna Love Me. And you're ruining the moment.
I'm coming. Be patient. Good work. Okay, let's get inside. Hey, Al! Can you open up?
What's the secret password?
Oh, come on, don't make me say it.
How's your call? I have Lexi Orion's entire anthology here, and I can sing through it track by track.
Yeah, all right. All hail Big Al the Conqueror.
Go on.
The glory of his level 20 spellcaster burns brighter than the 4th star of Julius Major.
Hey, Ratchet, Clank! Small galaxy. How's my lady Cora doing?
Yeah, she's good. Listen, we're here to help take out these hydro harvesters. You think you could help us upgrade our onboard weapon system?
Always happy to help the Galactic Rangers. How about a Tesla Blast weapon kit? It uses polarized electro-emitters to increase propulsion by 128.7%. Even a raritanium hull is no match for those babies.
Sounds like exactly what we need. You lead the way. We'll cover you. Enemy down.
I'm starting to get real tired of these Blarg. You know they showed up just as I was about to speak on a panel about everything wrong with comic book-based holo films. All the great bloggers were on it. Me, Stuart Zergo, Obsidia Van Schmoot.
And Schmoot was there? Really? Oh, I love her. She hates everything.
There isn't a holo film, game, or online product launch she hasn't shredded in the comment section. You know, that kind of judgment takes real skill.
We have reached our destination.
Yeah, it's my charming personality that keeps you coming back, ain't it? That's one of our best sellers. That's how you make a great weapon even better.
Here we are. All right, let's pop the hood and get you that weapon system. Reinstalling weapon software. Rebooting system. Done.
Tesla Blast weapon kit detected. Happy hunting.
What are you waiting for? Take out those hydro harvesters.
Remember, normal ammunition won't damage those hydro harvesters. Use your Tesla rockets. Shoot down those Blarg saucers. They'll drop ammo and health for you to pick up.
It's working! Ammo acquired. We're almost out of Tesla rockets. restored. It's working!
Oh boy.
Those saucers are about to attack.
To a barrel roll.
Ship repaired.
Awesome shot.
Nice shot. Ammo acquired. Tesla Blast rockets acquired. Warning. Warning.
Power failure imminent.
It's working!
Nice shooting, Ratchet.
False.
Yeah! One hydro harvester left.
Awesome shot.
Tesla Blast rockets acquired.
Almost out of Tesla rockets. That's all of them.
Yeah! You two saved the resort.
Thanks for watching, please like, subscribe and come back to the next episode.